Bolsharot Gaji, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arj, agus topic na seachtain inniu, mé hain, myself, agus shoid na Focail agus na Frásaí. Beard, Féasóg, birthday, Breithlá, no la breithe, black, Dubh, blonde, Féin, blue, Gorm, brown, Donn, curly or thick, Catach, disability, mhíchumas, eye, Súil, fat, Ramhar, Freckles, Bricíní gréine, ginger or red, Gruaig, green, Glas, grey, Liath, hair, Gruaig, heritage, Oidhreacht, I have blank, tá blank agam. I like, is liom, long, Fada, Moustache, Croiméal, short of length, Gearr, slim, Tanaí, straight, Díreach, tall, ard, I have a disability. Tá mé faoi mhíchumas, I have a job in the bank. Tá post agam sa bhanc, I'm a teacher. Tá mé mhainteoir, I have small brown eyes. Tá súla bega Donn agam, I have straight brown hair. Tá Gruaig Díreach ron. I have thick black hair and I wear a fringe. Tá Gruaig Catach ruorm, agus caim Francia. I'm from the USA, but I have Irish heritage. Is as na stáit aontaithe mé, ach tá Oidhreacht géalach agam. My birthday is on the 22nd of January. Bín ma Breithlá ar an dara lá is fiche de anar. I was born and raised in the USA, but my family is from County Clare. Rogu agus togus in na stáit aontaithe mé, ach is as conde an clár de mo winter. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.